Hello, it's your friend from the Daughter Cabinet Central Library, and today we're going to be making mug cakes. One of my recipes is going to be a savory dish, and the other ones are going to be sweet. So first, before we get into everything, we're going to wash our hands first, and then we're going to get into the recipes, okay? Come on, let's go. We must wash our hands first before we start anything in the kitchen. I want to get clean. Right? So as I told you, one of my mug recipes is going to be a savory recipe, and the other ones are going to be sweet. So we're going to start with our savory recipe first because we don't want to eat our dessert before we eat our dinner. So the first recipe is going to be Fettucine Alfredo in a mug. I know you've probably never heard that. I haven't either, but we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see and we're gonna do it, okay? So first, we need our microwavable mug. We need our heavy cream, our grated Parmesan cheese, garlic. We need some butter, and of course, we need some noodles. So I have already boil the noodles so you already boil your noodles so you can already have them sing about. So we're gonna need about 1/4 cup of noodles. So you can use, I decided to use the penne pasta. You can use any noodles you want. It says fettuccine, but you can use any noodles you want. So I'm gonna take about 1/4 cup of these noodles. And I'm gonna add a little more. Okay. Add your noodles to your bowl. See that over here. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. So we have our butter here, and of course you get the ones that have the measure on there, so you won't not be so confident on it. So we're gonna cut out 1 tablespoon of butter. Move this around so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. And like I said, my hands are clean. I just washed them. And we're gonna do 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Shake that up. Get this open. Okay, I'm going to do 1/4 cup of heavy cream in there. Next, we're going to do about 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. You can go heavy on the cheese, it really doesn't matter. So about 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna just eyeball this because I love cheese, so we're gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. As you can see, everything that I'm using is new. So I can't wait. Okay, we are going to place this in our microwave for 1 1/2 minutes. So it depends on the wattage of your microwave, and we're going to stir and we're going to see how this goes. So let's go over here to our microwave. So we see everything has been, so we're going to put this in our microwave. And I'm just gonna lay a paper towel on top of it so it doesn't splatter everywhere. But if you're making this at home, that's fine. So I'm gonna lay a paper towel on top. I'm gonna close this. And we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna step over here. So our microwave has just beeped, so that means that our food is ready. Our fettuccine alfredo is ready. Okay, be careful getting it out of the microwave. I'm gonna take this over to our table. I'm gonna stir it up. So that's why you can put more noodles in if you want, but that's how that one comes out. Fettuccine Alfredo in a mug. And we're back. We have gotten our savory fettuccine Alfredo. Now it's time to move to our sweet. Sweet is the favorite part of the meal. So now we're going to be doing a salted caramel and chocolate brownie. They require different things, so I'm going to go through the ingredients for you. The first one we're going to make is the salted caramel. Woo! Okay. So we're going to need flour, some baking powder, cocoa powder. Of course, we're going to need our sugar. We're going to need some salt. The best ingredient, caramel sauce. We're going to need some chocolate chips. And we're going to need some milk and butter. Our milk and butter has already been cooled, so we're going to, we had to warm that up, and so that's already been set aside and cool. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our we're going to sift together our flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, and sugar. So if you have one of these, just when they say sift, this is what it means. Okay, so we're going to need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Take this. Don't make no mistake. Hold up, you hold it. It's okay, there's some issues. So I'm going to put it here. We're going to take 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. This is a little easy to get out. Okay. Two tablespoons of our cocoa powder. Just move this over to the side. 1, 2. Because we're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And these are fun to make with the kids if they want something sweet and you don't want to dirty up too many dishes. Just pull you out a good coffee mug, honey, and let them get in here. 2 tablespoons. And the ingredients are easy, and I'm sure they know how to. So we just gonna sift, and it should come out like fine sand. Okay, next. Okay, for our caramel mug cake, we are going to add in 1 tablespoon caramel sauce, milk, and butter. And we're going to mix well until there are no clumps. Okay, we're going to put this in our mug. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon, I'm sorry. If I told you tablespoon, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're going to take our 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce. We're going to take our milk that has been cooled, our 1/4 cup of milk. And then we're going to take our 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix this a little bit. Mix. Ooh, not wasting on the table, but mix, honey. Ooh, this smells so good. And then we're gonna take our 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Stir those in there. And honey, if you want to go overboard on chocolate chips, why not? Life is too short not to enjoy and indulge. One tablespoon of our chocolate chips. I know I followed the recipe. Okay, so we're gonna put this in our microwave for 1 minute, and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, our brownie is ready to come out the microwave. Yeah, oh, it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So good. Oh my goodness. So if your brownie is a little wet, we want that's good. So we're gonna drizzle a little more caramel on the top. I'm gonna just take a little of this salt because it is a salted caramel brownie. And voila. Hope you enjoy salted caramel mug cake. All right, our last mug cake is going to be microwave bread pudding. So I don't know if you all have had bread pudding before, but today normally we use the cube bread, the light bread, but today we're going to use cinnamon rolls. So we're gonna try this out, and we're gonna go ahead. So what I have done is I have taken my cinnamon rolls and placed them in a microwavable safe cup. I need 1 large egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Oh shoot. See, mistakes happen in the kitchen, y'all. So we're gonna do 1/3 cup of milk. Normally in the regular bread pudding, we would add vanilla, sugar, and all of that, but since our cinnamon rolls are already sweet, we're not gonna add any of that to it. So we're gonna whisk this together. Get that yolk. Okay. So we're gonna pour this over our cinnamon rolls. And a little added touch, we're gonna add a little chocolate cheese. See how this goes. You can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons. It's to your preference. Okay, we're gonna get that incorporated. Make sure we get that bread all soaked up. So we're gonna put this in our microwave for 1 minute. Taking it out after a minute, and as you can see, it still has liquid. You don't want that, so we're gonna put it in for a 30-second burst. So every 30 seconds, just check it until your mixture is completely solid. So we've taken our bread pudding out, and as you can see, just make sure that the middle is done. Well, that is bread pudding in a mug. I hope you have enjoyed cooking with me on today. Try these recipes with your kids for a girls' night, anything. Anytime you want a quick snack, you don't have to run out to the store. Just use the ingredients you have in your oven. We'll see you later. Bye.